Network Entertainment.
Kapatid, nasabi mo na ba ito sa sarili mo? Next sweldo na ako mag-iipon. Pero pagdating ng sahod, ubus agad. O kaya naman, na-swipe mo na yung credit card mo dahil kulang ang iyong budget. Bakit kaya ganito? Pag-usapan natin.
Hi, I'm Chinkitan and you're listening to Chink Positive Podcast, where I aim to equip you to become wealthy and debt-free. Teaching you on how to save, budget, get out of debt, and invest. Let's get into the episode.
Hi there, this is Chinkitan, your pambansang wealth coach. Welcome to Chink Positive. Today, pag-usapan natin the psychology behind bad financial habits. Bakit nga ba we make poor money choices at pinagsisihan natin at the end? So, let's talk about it. If you are right now driving or probably you are alone inside the room, I'd just like to have a heart-to-heart talk with you about the psychology behind bad money choices. Whether we like it or not, we were raised up in a generation na talagang yung, madali na lahat eh. Diba? Fast food, instant mommy, instant coffee, instant noodle. So, instant messaging. So, feeling natin yung success also is instant. So, na-introduce sa atin yung tinatawag na instant gratification. Our brain is wired to prefer now over later. Yung parang mas gusto na natin ma-enjoy right now, yung tinatawag na YOLO mentality o deserve ko to. We were sold to that idea. But in reality is this. Pag hindi natin naayos to, maniwala kayo, wala tayong maiipon. And the second reason why we make bad money choices aside from instant gratification is because of emotional spending. You spend when you're lonely, you spend when you're bored, you spend when you're stressed. Diba? So, sino po sa inyo ang guilty? Or if not naman, we were also pressured. Nagkakaroon tayo ng peer pressure or social comparison. Diba? We spend to fit in. Or if not upon, the lack of financial awareness and discipline. Minsan kulang talaga tayo sa kaalaman at disiplina. Kaya nga napapagastos tayo. So, ano po ang nagiging effect nito? Because of bad financial habits, we live paycheck to paycheck. We use credit cards indiscriminately. Wala tayong savings, wala tayong emergency fund, and at the same time, financially stressed tayo. Sounds familiar? Don't worry. If you are experiencing this, you are not alone. So right now, sa session natin ito, I want to help you, coach you, guide you, and enlighten you that you can break free from poor money choices. Yes, may chance ka pa. So how do we do it? Number one, I suggest once you like something, don't immediately buy it. Use the 48-hour rule. Wait for 2 days. Diba? Most likely, mawawala yung urge mo. Diba? Gusto mong kape? 48-hour rules kung wala kang budget. Diba? Gusto mong kumain sa labas? Kung wala kang budget? 48-hour rules. Diba? Ganun lang naman. Malalaman mo talaga, masasanay ka lang. Number 2, ang suggestion ko talaga, i-identify mo also your emotional trigger. Kailan ka ba napapakain? Kailan ka ba napapabili? Kailan ka ba talaga ika nga napapashop indiscriminately? Is it pag inis ka, pag galit ka, pag na-frustrate ka, pag lonely ka? So once you are already on that mode, maghanap tayo ng healthier outlet. Probably you can walk, you can talk to a friend, or if not, you can just go out without bringing anything. Diba? Ang goal mo lang talaga is talagang i-let out. And then aside from that, I suggest talaga na create a money map. When you say money map, a road map. Sulat mo magkano income mo, magkano expenses mo, because awareness is power. At the same time, if you want to reward yourself, wala namang problema sa pag-reward. All you need to do is maglaan ka ng tinatawag na joy budget. So, set aside, I'm going to reward myself every single month with 2,000 pesos. The 2,000 pesos, I can spend it one day or I can spend it 1 month without feeling guilty. Guys, alam mo kagandahan nito, if you are able to shift your mindset, if you are able to shift, believe me, you'll be able to break free from the wrong money habits. Wrong money habits starts from wrong money mindset. Kaya nga today, I would like to encourage you to change your money mindset. From saying I'm bad with money, tell yourself, I'm learning to do better. Hindi ko kaya mag-ipon, just say, kaya ko na mag-ipon because I'm going to practice self-denial, at the same time, delayed gratification, at the same time, I'm going to save before I spend. Huwag mo sabihin, sayang, nagkamali ako. No. Walang sayang. Sabihin mo, hindi sayang kasi natuto ako sa aking pagkakamali. Friend, if you are right now listening to this at saka feeling mo, ang dami mong kapalpakan tungkol sa pera, ang dami mong nasayang pera, let me encourage you. You are not your mistakes. You are wiser than your past. You are capable of building a better financial future. You are capable of starting all over again. Every peso is a decision, and every decision is a chance to practice wisdom. So next time, pag na-tempt ka, pause and ask. Di ba? 48-hour rule. Di ba? After that, ask yourself, will this choice bring me closer to my goals or farther away from my goals? By the way, if you enjoyed this conversation, please don't forget to check out my other podcast with my wife. It's called Happy Spouse, Happy House. It's all about strengthening relationships and building harmony at home. So thank you very much for tuning in. If I help you and minister to you this session, na enlighten po kayo, please don't forget to follow me, just Chink Positive on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and also don't forget to follow me at my YouTube channel. As I always say, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always Chink Positive. Bye.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.